So this is the day of the super big snowstorm, and Tim and I decided to get out in it and walk around, and so we've got you some pictures. We went over to the field and just wanted to share the pictures and let you see how fast or how much it was snowing.
Look at us. You even got snowflakes on your eyelashes.
Oh. So it continued to snow like this all day, all night. And the wind picked up and it just got kind of crazy. So when we walked into the kitchen later in the evening, after the power had gone out and come back on, I think we lost power for about an hour and a half. But anyway, this is what we could see out the kitchen window. And it is just swirling snow, but it is creepy. Our next video will be what we saw when we woke up after this mega apocalypse snowstorm. It's one for the ages, I'll tell you. See you soon.